ngayon. Kinakabahan ako.
Mara, hindi ko lang sasagot ko eh.
Diba? Wow! Mga ibon! Native! Grabe, Bea, yung taga may mangyari mo. So dahil sa itim na ibon na yan eh.
Ano sa tingin mo mangyari?
Malay mo, earthquake, gano'n, no? Lindol na yun.
So, porkadative yung ibon, may mangyari agad naman sa mga pamahiin. Risk ka talaga yun, no? Malay mo naman, nangyari yun kasi nakatira tayo malapit sa active fault line. Eh, dapat ready tayo. Tara na! May DRR pa tayo!
Okay, so let me ask you for our class today, what is a earthquake? Anyone? Yes, Miss Leon.
An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the ground caused by a release of energy in the Earth's crust.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Leon. So as she said, an earthquake is the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. So laging yung tatandaan, dito sa FU High School, meron tayong laging evacuation routes na nakapaskil sa bawat classroom para alam nyo kung saan kayo pupunta in the case of a disaster. And syempre, andyan din yung go bag natin which contains yung inyong flashlight, yung foods nyo, yung first aid kit. And syempre, even though may go bag kayo, alam nyo ba ang tamang actions na gagawin during a disaster? That's why we have earthquake drills to simulate the disaster itself para alam din ng students kung ano ba.
Good afternoon po, sir. Makiki-excuse lang po. Check lang po natin yung wall sector.
Sige.
Thank you po.
Yan, so another question, why do you think na yung tong FU High School nakatayo pa rin siya even after years of minor tremors and earthquakes na pagdaanan niya? And so anyone? Yes, Miss Victoria.
Third try po. Yung building codes po ba?
Yan, so tama, Miss Soriano. So, anyone else na gusto mag-elaborate? Yes, Miss Rob, yes?
The school follows safety laws and the steel and concrete built with bend and sway with the ground so they don't snap. Thank you.
Yes, Miss Pamutagana, may gusto ulit na.
Sir, may I go to the restaurant?
Yes.
Okay na po, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you din po. Okay guys, medyo parang kuminto na yung lindol. Sige, tara na, tara. Ma-evacuate na tayo. Fall in line, fall in line.
Guys, tara.
Ayan, tama. Nasa tamang evacuation area tayo.
Okay lang ba kayo? May nasugatan ba sa inyo? May napilayan? Miss Ambida, can you conduct an head count?
Guys, head count tayo. 1, 2, 3.
4.
4 out of 6 yung present dito. Kulang tayo ng dalawa. Kailangan natin balikan.
Tara, Miss Robias, balikan natin yung dalawa. Tara.
Dito ka, ako muna. Ako muna dyan. Ako sa likod. Ako sa likod, sa likod, sa likod.
Lang napilayan yung isa nating estudyante, kailangan nating mag-apply ng unang-una kailangan natin i-rest yung kanyang paso. So sa ka-rest na mag-apply tayo ng yellow. Sige, dito mo ilagay. Tapos, gagamitan natin siya ng gauze pad. bilang natalo na natin yung goals, ba't kailangan natin i-elevate to mismo.
Uy.
Okay, lagi na dito, ha? Wait lang ha, lalagyan na natin.
Sige, go.
Okay na ba kayo? Nag-okay yung mga sugat nyo? Ayan, since sa safe place na tayo, hintayin na lang natin yung announcement ng FEU kung pwede na daw ba tayo umuwi. Okay?
After the deadly 7.2 magnitude earthquake in the FEU High School and the rest of University Belt is set for recovery. During the earthquake, a group of students were found alive after being trapped underneath the school nursing building. One of the students said, all classes are now being held online for the time being and after further notice.
Thankfully, our GoBank had enough load and we were able to contact emergency services using our walkie-talkie that we used from one of our events.
Once again, I am Kyla Marie Sitago. I am your news reporter.